This is Buck, the thief. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh. Oh. My goodness. No. Who this? Dang, this kid's a savage. Oh my god. Okay. That kid is a freaking savage. Okay. That was interesting. Sure. And mine like literally went immediately to the bottom. Oh my god. And he's dead. Ooh, what about this? Is that a toolbox? Right in the head. Dang, this kid's a freaking savage. What about the slipper? Does the slipper do anything? Nope. We've already tried this. Ooh, what's this? What's gonna happen now? Seriously, what's gonna happen? Come back here right now. Oh my god. What? That kid was driving it? You gotta be kidding me. What? Oh, what does this do? There's blood all over his face. Well, not all over his face, just all over his mouth. Wonder what this is. I think he's gonna smack it. Oh, he's gonna stab him. He stabbed him. This kid needs to take a shower before his parents get home. Oh my god. Or does he work home alone? Like, seriously. Is he home alone? There are 2 more I need to do. Huh. These are only 2 left. Who cares? I'm just gonna end the video. I want the samurai sword in this. What are the friggin' else that I want in? Ah! Okay. Bye.